years for this ain't no coincidence. Back then when I was so lit, now I'm lit, they're pissed. Bad bees, they curved the kid back then when I weren't so lit. Now I'm lit, they're pissed. Told bro that you gotta take it slow, but he knows try and pay so he won't go ledge. Went 3 for 3, now 6 for 6. Put in the work for years for this ain't no coincidence. I did have to take them trips. Shit, they talking shit and it made me sick. I said fuck school and it made me rich. We did sell crack on the 80s ting. The jakes on us and they pray we slip. Said fuck school and I broke the law. Told little bro gotta stay in school. Telling the kids this shit ain't cool. Fuck, I'm so hypocritical. Fuck, I just missed the call. My bros in the field not volleying pools. So cocaine and molly and all. Told mum Z don't worry at all. Step in a bando, honey, I'm home. The local fiends don't vouch, he won't get served. The cat's unknown, I don't owe no, I made money alone. Bad bees, they curved the kid back then when I weren't so lit. Now I'm lit, they're pissed. Told bro that you gotta take it slow, but he knows try and pay so he won't go ledge. Went 3 for 3, now 6 for 6. Put in the work for years for this ain't no coincidence. I did have to take them trips. Could've been in a bin if it weren't for the gloves that I had when I rapped that Riz. That kid got nicked on an amateur ting, got banged that cling, take precaution. If you knew the risk we took to get paid, you wouldn't look at me the same. My bro got the wickedest aim, we're bringing the blicky on stage. They hating, I'm really unfazed, haha, don't test my patience. Half of the hood they show, man, love this play that the rest are hating. Now got gal all around, still my one from the west, my favourite. These cats are domesticated, Jake's in the station investigating. Bad bees, they curved the kid back then when I weren't so lit. Now I'm lit, they're pissed. Told bro that you gotta take it slow, but he knows try and pay so he won't go ledge. Went 3 for 3, now 6 for 6. Put in the work for years for this ain't no coincidence. I did have to take them trips. Bad bees, they curved the kid back then when I weren't so lit. Now I'm lit, they're pissed. Told bro that you gotta take it slow, but he knows try and pay so he won't go ledge. Went 3 for 3, now 6 for 6. Put in the work for years for this ain't no coincidence. I did have to take them trips.
Israël, Fox est né comme Israël. Chaîne Laden dans le complot comme les Ben Laden. Chirac comme JB Ben Laden. Je les vois petits comme si j'étais sans pied. On veut les VVS sur les dentiers. À propos des sommes comme les banquiers. Investisseurs, architectes et chefs de chantier. Je veux le bif comme The Rock. 20-20 le rap c'est satanique comme le rock. Caliweed, Prométhazine. Et le faire comme D-Block Europe. Concurrent je laisse que des mégots. Je suis là pour les deux, peine de mort pour les pédos. Je mixe le lin dans les fégos. À Dakar on empile les briques comme des Legos. Sur la corniche dans les foraines. Menace fantôme pour faire saigner tes oreilles. Là au pack négro j'ai fumé des forêts. J'fume des runs c'est des gelati. Rital dans le milieu comme Marco Verratti. Gros accord de l'or dans la Maserati. Quoi qu'il arrive, j'prends ma part. Shenzhen, Ike et TVA. Faut que j'pèse comme un propriétaire de club de Liga BBVA. J'ai mes droits, j'ai mes masters. J'fume des OG, j'fume des masters. J'ai le business carré pour qu'on roule tous en Maybach comme des pasteurs. J'suis giga t'es nano, ils peuvent pas me voir comme si j'ai l'anneau. Switch ça rentre sans toucher l'anneau. Le lin est rose comme le gélano. J'suis dans le piège, pas de bistrot. Designer avec le cash de distro. J'ai v'là de rimes comme Larousse. Et j'suis partout comme Harouf. Devant la cage comme Erling. Que j'en mets des soupapes comme Sterling. Faut des 4x4 et des berlines. Des euros, des dollars et des livres sterling. Rap français, sur sa tête, place le réticule. Elle sont Mac d'ailleurs, je veux que ma bitch aille en SL cacher le pédicure. Dans le complot comme la MBC. J'suis dans le Fitbin, j'fais des SBC. J'arrive chinois comme la HSBC. Quand on rentre ça sent la loud dans le lobby. Et sur la sec chaque jour, j'aurais rien sans le lobby. Freeze Corleone et Case Collector. Exotica suprême neck protector. Sur la prod, j'prends tes chevilles comme professeur au bone collector. Mon report, j'suis pour Adama. Et Sonic pendez-les comme en Alabama. Continental et la fantôme pétasse.
Very sexy, Keisha, Becky.
Pull up and dump off. Twist up your waist and jump off. Free up that number. Oh my God, look at that bumper. What the bumper?
Drip like my chain, shake that ass, it's insane. Very sexy, Keisha, Becky. Like baby, stop it. Everything's mad if I slap this rocket. Fit like 10 bags in a Mary pockets. I love this shit, I can't stop it. Baby, arch your back and slide on it. Try hit chestnuts, belly or back. Man, a big man, 20 racks on tax. Very sexy, Yelly, Steffi. Baby, shake up your bum bum. Don't have sex without condom. Cali spliff looking Hong Kong. I don't pipe, big girl, that's my don. Very selective, select it, cool and eject it. The way he ran off, he meant it.
Yo. Both hands on the back when I tap it, grab it and slap it, Becky a savage. Let me show you a magic trick, you can have this dick after that man vanished. 2 mils in a whip, bro said he wanted a bit, told him he can manage. This baby face an advantage, man still show a big girl what a man is. Giving my screw face, she can't be staring, what do you expect when your skirt so short? Out here twerking, gone past caring, she went out cheating, the girl got caught. Stepped in the place all shiny, I don't have a chain, man, glow when I walk. Don't phone if you wasting my time, got me changing my line cause I don't wanna talk.
Dump off, twist up your waist and jump off. Free up that number. Oh my God, look at that bumper. What the bumper?
Drip like my chain, shake that ass, it's insane. Very sexy, Keisha, Becky.
How many L's did I take this year and how many times did I buck your chickie? Had a cap on my head like 50 when I gave wood to your girl, that's dicky. And I didn't want to holler at Becky, so I went Brighton and hollered at Britney. And how many chicks did I swipe? Top of my head, I think about 50. And I don't really wanna hear nonsense. Man, send one text to your female, another bad B come looking like custard. Slim tip with a back come detailed, give a back shot 2-2, now she loved it. And the ting come quick like an email, mate, well done, got brain and you cuffed it. Jay bun up the place like a mosh pit, viral, now I got fans in Boston. 2 step to the dance all saucy, 1 gun Lee man did it like rusted. And everybody wanna link Keisha, Becky, ease up, liquor man stop it. Bad B from Quay called Lisa, shit them wanna take wood car and pop in.
Every day I give thanks for the blessings, but I repent for numerous cheffings. If you saw the way that I queffed him, man, I weren't shot that his brethren left him. But they thought the last verse was a fluting from my broski inside for some booties. Man, I'm bossy, spend rats on a Cuban. Now my light skin, brown skin, though cute things. Man, I love to go west, spend figures. Then I go home, eat Baris and Ilib. African girl, arch back, I want it. Pounded jam with okra or spinach. Snapchat cam, then boy your old image. White girl, soul food, gaucho, no boo. Pull up and dump off. Twist up your waist and jump off. Free up that number. Oh my God, look at that bumper. What the bumper?
Drip like my chain, shake that ass, it's insane. Very sexy, Keisha, Becky.
JS, they ain't made for the shit, they're soft. I don't fear drill, first think last. All these man want talk about drill, they do drill, rap but ain't got no heart. All the things man seen and done in the field, nigga you won't know the half. And bro told me he just done that bait, so now he's in a petrol bath. Bro backed it, I told him dump off. Before I back it, they run off. Hit that one, she can't be my lover. HMPs to free up my brother. Ambush, I got my block jumpy. Gal on me, man, they love me. 2 gal who's holding this brocky. Oh my God, look at that bumpy.
See my guy got back for the ching in the grind don't stop, so we see this dough. I told bro just slap in reverse with a petrol can and burn them clothes. A9 got caught with a grub old man, so he's looking like 2D1. And I pray on my life that the ride in front of the Jake, so the whole thing's done. Big up my chocolate darling. She say that she lost the plot. Doing up Gucci gang with the nails on feet, yeah, she whips that pop. My bro just feeding her am. Take that to the OT spot. Like was 15 when we had the whole 9 block looking like Wizard of Oz. See, back the beef you get got G. 9 side we're on top B. Becky come and then slop me. And Keisha mad cause she's on me. Back the beef you get got G. 9 side we're on top B. Becky come and then slop me. And
pull up and dump off. Twist up your waist and jump off. Free up that number. Oh my god, look at that bumper. What the bumper?
Drip like my chain, shake that ass, it's insane. Very sexy, Keisha, Becky.